Dahil sa mapa ni Josue kung saan-saan na po kami nakakarating ay ganito.
Yeah. And El Nido Cemetery.
It's really satisfying, you know, guys. If you come here in El Nido, you will see a lot of burloloy. Like this one is
Burloloy, angklet.
agimat ng kidlat, and again this is the agimat ng ang puting diamond ni Darna.
Ding ang bato.
Ding ang bato. Oh, that was.
May perlas sisid oh.
Actually, this is the rich diamond in this El Nido.
Tok-tok tay.
Rewind.
Rewind namin.
Nung kumain tayo dyan, kala ko malayo na, wala kasing tao.
Kasi nga, alas 2 na rin yun. Di ba pag-out na ni Kuya Moral na alas 2 na? Guys, he's walking dito sa El Nido Street. Ayan, at sobrang busy niya po uminom ng juice. Ayan, nag-i-enjoy po siya. Ginawa niya na lang po talaga akong taga-camera.
I think gusto ko doon sa magka-picture. Pwede kayo. Hindi.
Pangit.
Hello, did you check what the food?
What kind of food? What kind of food do you want? We're gonna eat ng street food dito sa El Nido.
This is for masa?
Ha?
For masa?
Sinagang. Sarap yan yung lumpia. Lumpia. Kumukuha na po siya ng tuknining. Ate, magkano yung kwek-kwek? 25 pala, sorry lang. Kala ko 3.20. Mali pala, mali. Ay, ito chicken.
Chicken?
Yes. Igulay isa.
That's it.
Thank you, ate. Lagay mo dito, Beo.
Just, anong gusto mo dito?
Yan, manghang.
How much is this?
Kuha ka lang ng isa doon.
Ayaw, di ma.
It's like delicious guys. Here.
eternity later.
So guys, this is our first time here in Town Square, Heritage District dito sa El Nido. Pumunta kami ni Otwi. We are together. Sayang wala si Gerald, ang aking lovely husband. Yung Town Square kasi yung sobrang famous dito sa El Nido. So, yun, lagi siyang nakikita sa Facebook and everything. And we're here na. First time namin makarating dito. May Firefly. Wow.
Sorry guys, hindi makita yung view. Look at the view here. Yeah.
One, two, three. Video. Ay, pangit na yun. Rituals Fitness Gym.
Guys, I wanna see here. Hanapin ko pa yung logo dito sa
Guys, mag-isa lang siya. Hanapin niya pa raw yung makakatabi niya.
baka nandito na sa likod.
Baka nandito lang daw sa likod. Sino ba yung mga nasa likod? Ay, hindi be. Mga couple na yung nasa likod mo. And guys, kung saan-saan kami nakarating na po kami ng sementeryo kung nakikita nyo.
We have a two cemetery here. Like as you can see the map, there's a two cemetery.
Sa dahilan po, yan, dahilan sa mapa ni Josue. Ayan,
Cemetery.
ayan.
So,
Ayan.
we have Tadlaon Cemetery.
Nakikita
We
nyo?
are so
Hindi ko na rin po
close
alam
for
dahil
the
sa mapa ni
cemetery,
Josue kung
like,
saan-saan na po kami nakakarating. Ay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Sa cover. So, actually guys, hindi ka matatakot dito kasi there's a lot of foreigner back and forth, walking. Also.
And motorbiking.
Like us, a foreigner. We are just walking back and forth, you know, guys. We are,
Yan po.
yeah.
Yan, dinadaan na lang po namin yung sementeryo. Yan, El Nido Cemetery.
And also you can see the hotel.
Ito po talaga yung hinahanap ni Josue dito.
Hotel and
So, yan po, cemetery po yan. Dinadaanan po namin yung cemetery as of the moment. Kalinga ang tawag.
Meanwhile,
Ano kaya yung siya Si Arnang Hotel. Ayan po, sobrang layo na po namin sa bayan ng El Nido at hindi ko na po alam kung saan po kami nagsusuot ngayon. I don't have idea. Ikaw, you didn't read. Ayun na nakalagay barefoot.
you know, all the time I'm illegal. So without
So we're going back na.
illogical, without action, without thinking.
Wow! It's English.
Yeah.
Uy, grabe layo na namin.
Psalm 113 to 3. From the rising of the sun to the place where it sets, the name of the Lord God is to be praised.
Guys, it is very hard. So, uy, no.
Kuya, kaya wag mo gagawin.